Hello, Legends! Want to improve your aim and reaction time in Apex? Switching your aim button to hold instead of toggle can make a huge difference. First, open Apex Legends and head to the Settings menu by pressing Escape and clicking on Settings. If you're using the mouse and keyboard, you scroll down to the keybinds and look for the aim down sight options. By default, this will be on aim down sight toggle. If you want to change to aim down sight hold, you have to rebind it to right click. If you're using the controller or if you're on console, look for the setting called aim button and change it to hold instead of toggle. This means you'll only aim while holding the right mouse button or left trigger. Let's talk about why it's better. Holding to aim lets you react faster and avoid unnecessary delays when unscoping. Most players use this setting for better movement and tracking. Try it out and let me know if it helps. See you in the arena, Legends.